Ho, Jeeves.
Sir?
Today the fates are smiling down with benevolence on the House of Windsor.
Has Sir been the recent recipient of news of a good character?
I have, Jeeves, I have. Old Jeffrey Epstein has only gone and tied the knot.
Sir?
Not to a lady, but round his neck. The first name in human trafficking has gone the way of all flesh.
Indeed, sir.
Taking along with him a comprehensive and unseemly catalogue of past clients, including yours truly. Poor Jeffers, happy Andrew. What say you, Jeeves? I believe this calls for more champers. Yes, Jeeves?
I only fear, sir, that your light spirits may be obscuring a rather dark reality.
What do you mean, Jeeves?
The unanticipated demise of Mr. Epstein, though shielding you from direct implication of any wrongdoing by the deceased, unfortunately, in the idiomatic language of literary criticism, raises more questions than it answers, sir.
Oh, dash it all. So I'm actually about to be ambushed on all sides by commoners craving closure.
As you put it, sir.
Oh, my hat. Well, dash it all, Jeeves, what am I supposed to do?
If I may suggest, sir, if you were to claim the mental health issue.
What, you mean sort of doing the old walnut in?
Indeed, sir.
Right, well, let's look to the lexicon of lunacy, shall we? Now, what sort of mental health disorder shall I have? Something like a multiple personality?
I fear not, sir.
Perhaps depression?
If I may suggest autism, sir, not only is it currently in vogue amongst the psychotherapeutic elite, but it would also carry with it the added benefit of explaining away your complete lack of empathy.
Right-o, Jeeves. Well, let us hunker down. Much work to be done. I've got to memorize some phone books and find out what the weather was like on everybody's birthday. Let the sun never set on a rain man.
Yes, sir.